morning, dear students. Hope you all are fine and clear with the chapter. Beta, we have done assignments, question number 1 to 10. Let's do the remaining assignments today. And the question number 11 is, describe the woman's appearance in the first meeting. They are talking about when the narrator met the woman for the first time at Foyt's. Okay, he found the lady was of 40. She was very talkative. She was very imposing rather than attractive. Okay, the narrator did not feel happy on seeing her, as he was expecting much more, or you can say a young woman. But she was a woman of 40. So the meeting was very disappointing for him. Now describe the end of luncheon. See, at the end of luncheon, the narrator was left with only 3 francs, which was an inadequate tip for the waiter. Okay, whenever we come from a restaurant, we definitely give a tip to waiter that he had served, we are pleased with his service. Okay. The narrator felt disgusted. उसे बहुत ही and helpless, उसे अपने आप पे खुंदस हो रही थी, गुस्सा आ रहा था, because he had nothing to manage the entire month or the whole month. उसके पास बाकी पैसे ही नहीं बचे थे. God knows how he was going to manage all the things for the whole month. कैसे वो अपना पूरा मंथ का गुजारा करेगा, कैसे वो अपना खाना खाएगा, as he was a struggling writer. Now question number 13. Do you think the narrator is wise in entertaining his guest? बेटा, बीइंग हॉस्पिटेबल, अगर आप अपने गेस्ट की क्या कर रहे हो, आओ भगत कर रहे हो, उनको एंटरटेन कर रहे हो, तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. वन मस्ट एंटरटेन वंस गेस्ट वार्मली. कहते कि अच्छी तरह से करना चाहिए हमें हर एक की खातिरदारी, बट टू मच हॉस्पिटैलिटी इज़ नेवर गुड. आप अपनी पहुंच से बढ़कर अगर कुछ करते हैं तो वो भी अच्छा नहीं है. वन मस्ट स्पेंड अकॉर्डिंग टू वंस ओन पॉकेट. कहते जितना आपका क्या है, आपका बजट तो लॉक करे, आपको उतना ही स्पेंड करना चाहिए. आई डोंट थिंक द नरेटर इज़ वाइज इन इन्वाइटिंग हिज गेस्ट एट एन एक्सपेंसिव रेस्टोरेंट. अगर आपको किसी को प्लीज़ भी करना है, खुश भी करना है, उसको अपने लिए इम्प्रेस भी करना है, तो आप नॉर्मल से रेस्टोरेंट में बुला सकते थे उसे, है ना. बीइंग फ्लैटर्ड, वो क्या हो गया कि उसकी लेडी ने उसको जब प्रेस किया तो वो क्या हो गया, फ्लैटर्ड हो गया, उसकी चापलूसी में आ गया. ही फॉरगेट्स हिज कैपेसिटी और वो अपनी इकोनॉमिकल कैपेसिटी को भूल गया. एंड हिज अनवाइज एक्ट, जो उसने क्या किया, उसको इनवाइट किया, किसको, लेडी को इनवाइट किया फॉइट्स पे, वो एक उसका अनवाइज एक्ट था, बिल्कुल भी बिना सोचे समझे वो जो एक्ट था. गेव हिम अ मिजरेबल लाइफ फॉर द होल मंथ. मिजरेबल होता है पैथेटिक लाइफ फुल ऑफ स्ट्रगल्स. उसको पूरे महीने के लिए क्या करना पड़ा, काफ़ी ज़्यादा कुछ स्ट्रगल अप करना पड़ा. सो आई डोंट थिंक ही वॉज वाइज इन इन्वाइटिंग हिज गेस्ट एट एन एक्सपेंसिव रेस्टोरेंट. उसे ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था. ही कुड हैव सर्व द वुमन विद, आई मीन he could have called the woman in a normal restaurant and not a expensive one. Question number 14 now. What is the theme of the story? The theme of the story is that one should not be flattered by anyone. कोई भी अगर आपको प्रेज कर रहा है, चाहे वो ट्रू प्रेज है चाहे फॉल्स प्रेज है, हमें उनकी बातों को बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर लेना चाहिए ऐसे. एंड शुड नॉट ट्राई टू शो ऑफ एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ वंस ओन वैल्यूज़. ये तो और आप क्या करते हैं, दिखावे के लिए क्या करना शुरू कर देते हैं, शो ऑफ करने कर देते हैं. लाइक नरेटर डिड. हाउ? As he was flattered by the woman, he got impressed, and he was a struggling writer, and he had a female fan of his writing, so he wanted to give a good impression, and that's why he wanted to show off to her. That's why he accepted to give a little luncheon at Foyt's. He wanted to outshow, but this was ethically very wrong on his part. Okay. Question number 15. Why did the narrator make the statement that I will eat nothing for dinner that night? The narrator made the statement because he was left with no money, because already he had spent 80 francs at all overall, and moreover he was irritated, he was frustrated due to the whole day incident, that he expected the modest luncheon would cost approximate 20 to 30 francs, but this luncheon costed him all the money he had to spend for the entire month. That's why he was very irritated. Okay. What happened when the narrator ordered mutton chop? See, as the narrator was a struggling writer, so he could not afford expensive dishes for both of them. As the lady had ordered two expensive dishes which were far beyond the means of a person like narrator, so he decided to order mutton chop, which was the cheapest dish in the menu. Okay, at the sight of the dish, the lady started suggesting him that he was a writer and he was a writer by profession, and writing was not possible after eating heavy things, because when you eat heavy things, your stomach is full, you quite feel sleepy, है ना? And after eating such heavy dishes like mutton chop, he could not do the work of writing. That's why the lady started saying that he should take some light food like her. Now, write a brief note on ill effects of overeating. Beta, these questions are internal and can be molded in any form. Okay, so other answers are also acceptable. So if you want to add something more, you can do so. See, food is essential for our body, but excess of everything is harmful. कहते हैं हम जीते किस लिए हैं? खाने के लिए थोड़ी जीते हैं, हमें जीना, हम खाते हैं इसलिए ताकि हम अच्छी लाइफ जी सके. But nowadays people, what they are doing, they have become so greedy that they want to eat every time. That's why you can see around yourself also that many children are obese, है ना? Similarly, excess of eating or overeating is also very harmful. These days, what you people are doing? You're just studying at home, or you're living at your home and then watching TVs, having all the snacks daily. These things are making you obese and making your digestive system very weak. Even if we eat nutritious food, it causes many diseases. Eat it at a balanced diet. Don't take excessive food in your meals, such as obesity, poor digestion, etc. We should keep in mind that food is for life and life is not for food. कहते हम खाते क्यों हैं? जीने के लिए, लेकिन हम जी इसलिए नहीं, लेकिन हमें खाना है इसलिए हम जी रहे हैं. So we should have a balanced diet. What are the qualities of a good guest? A good guest must be noble by nature. कहते हैं अच्छा गेस्ट कौन होता है? वो अच्छे नेचर का होना चाहिए. He must be given warm welcome. जो भी आपका होस्ट हो वो आपको अच्छा वेलकम करेगा गेस्ट का. It should not be the criteria whether the guest is rich or poor. हमें इससे मतलब नहीं होना चाहिए कि वो जो हमारा गेस्ट का अपकमिंग गेस्ट आ रहा है वो क्या रिच है या पुअर है. A good guest must take into consideration the financial condition of the host. अब क्या करेंगे आप? जो भी गेस्ट आता है उसे भी ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि ये नहीं कि अपनी मर्जी से फूड ऑर्डर करते रहो, like the woman did in the chapter. Oops.